Welcome to our roundup of the best car vacuum cleaners. Whether you're dealing with daily dust, stubborn dirt, or the mess that builds up after long drives, we've selected top-rated car vacuums that offer a combination of power, convenience, and smart design. We'll break down each model's suction strength, battery life, filtration system, noise control, and overall usability, so you can choose the perfect tool to keep your car spotless. Do not forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the right car vacuum cleaner for your needs. The first on the list is the CNRR 7500. This compact cleaner is built for drivers who want strong performance without carrying bulky tools. With its durable 7,500 mAh battery, it delivers impressive runtime, giving you plenty of cleaning sessions before needing a recharge. The powerful suction allows it to lift fine dust, crumbs, and everyday debris with consistent force. One of the highlights is its strong suction power, which ensures quick pickup even on textured car mats. The stainless steel filter is reusable and easy to wash, lowering maintenance costs while keeping filtration efficiency high. The vacuum's slim and ergonomic design makes it easy to hold for long periods without fatigue. Another benefit is its low noise operation, which keeps cleaning comfortable and non-disruptive. Overall, the CNRR 7500 offers strong performance, easy handling, and long battery life, making it a practical option for everyday car maintenance. Key benefits include strong suction, long battery life, and washable filter. Next up is the SCUK 9998. This vacuum is built for drivers who want serious cleaning power in a lightweight design. It delivers intense suction strength, making it ideal for picking up embedded dust, pet hair, and dried mud that traditional handheld vacuums struggle with. One of its biggest advantages is its ultra-high suction force, giving it the ability to clean deep into carpet fibers. The dual filtration system combines a stainless steel filter with a high-density HEPA layer, capturing even fine particles and reducing dust leakage inside the car. Its compact body makes it easy to maneuver under seats, around pedals, and in narrow door pockets. Overall, the SCUK 9998 delivers intense cleaning performance, efficient filtration, and practical accessories for tackling tough car messes. Key strengths include ultra-high suction, dual filtration, and LED lighting. Next, we have the ZHIYU handheld. This vacuum is designed for convenient car and home cleaning, providing users with strong suction and a comfortable grip for extended use. Its sleek, minimalist body is surprisingly powerful for its size, making it a versatile option for small messes and quick cleanups. With its lightweight design, you can easily reach tight spaces without straining your arm. The vacuum includes a high-capacity battery that supports long cleaning cycles and reduces the need for frequent recharging. Its rapid cool motor keeps performance stable, even during extended cleaning sessions. The multi-layer HEPA filter captures allergens, dust, and fine debris, improving air quality inside your vehicle. Overall, the ZHIYU handheld provides convenience, efficient cleaning, and excellent battery efficiency. Top highlights include lightweight build, long battery life, and HEPA filtration. Next, we have the XCQ 808. This cordless cleaner is a top choice for drivers who prioritize portability, freedom of movement, and reliable suction power. Designed without cords or bulky attachments, it allows you to clean your car from any angle without getting tangled. The cordless design makes it easy to reach under seats, storage compartments, and challenging corners. Despite its compact form, the XCQ 808 offers strong suction pressure that handles debris ranging from food crumbs to dust buildup. Its high-efficiency motor stays cool even when used for longer cleaning sessions, maintaining stable airflow throughout. The built-in HEPA filter is washable and reusable, reducing ongoing costs while ensuring clean air release. The long-lasting battery provides extended runtime, allowing you to clean an entire car in one session. Overall, the XCQ 808 stands out as a versatile, user-friendly cleaner perfect for anyone looking for easy operation and effective debris removal. Key advantages include cordless convenience, strong suction, and reusable HEPA filter. The last one on our list is the CNRR 998. This model is one of the most powerful car vacuums available, built for drivers who want deep, professional-level cleaning at home. Its high-intensity motor produces impressive suction capable of lifting embedded particles from thick car mats and textured surfaces. One of the standout features is its extreme suction capability, which makes quick work of stubborn dirt, pet hair, and sand. The dual filtration system includes a stainless steel mesh and premium HEPA filter, ensuring that no dust escapes back into the air. The vacuum body is crafted with a durable shell that withstands regular use, drops, and high-power operation. Even with its strong motor, the noise level remains surprisingly controlled thanks to internal noise-absorbing materials. Overall, the CNRR 998 offers superior cleaning ability, strong durability, and excellent filtration, making it the top choice for drivers who want maximum performance. Its biggest strengths include extreme suction, dual filtration, and long-lasting battery. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.